YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to see the cost estimation of 5 cross 4 feet single gate. So this is the design, and for this we use a 60 cross 30 mm for the outer frame. This frame we will use a different size pipe, so it's a rectangular pipe, and for the inner one we use a bit smaller one, the size maybe 40 mm cross 20 mm. And then the third item is the CNC design, so it will come around 4.75 feet, because here some 2 and here some 2 inches goes after. And then to fix the CNC at the back side we need a 10 mm rod. So these are the items that is required, and this is the wall support. We need to fix this in the wall, and this is the ground support. So let's calculate how much it costs, and then we can also change the thickness of the pipe to see like at what best price we can able to make this. Let's get started. This outer frame. For outer frame we use 60 mm cross 30 mm pipe. So the total feet required is 5 feet, 10, 15 and 20 for the vertical side, and then for top 4 and bottom 4, total 28 feet is required. In market we can get 20 feet pipe 12 kg weight. It actually varies, 10 kg also we get 20 feet, and then for 14 kg also we get 20 feet. It depends on the thickness. The thickness that we are going to calculate is 1.5 mm thickness. If we calculate 28 feet we are getting 17 kgs. Okay, 17 kg is required. Weight of the pipe required for the outer frame is 17 kgs. This pipe is a 2-inch pipe, and we have to reduce these to 4, 6 and 8 inches, and then the width of the CNC design is 12 inches. So totally 20 inches we have to reduce. Like after we reducing the 20 inches, the total width of the gate is 4 feet, which is nothing but a 48 inch. So 48 minus 20 is equal to 28 inches. So we need a 28 inches for one row. If we split it into two, 14 inches, like one side one pipe width is 14 inches. So totally we have a 16 in one side, and so 16 into 2 is equal to 32 pipes, small pipe. So 32 into 14 inch, each pipe width is 14 inches, so totally 448 inches. We have to divide that into 12 to convert it into feet, so which gives 37 feet approx. Like it gives 37 feet, but let's take 40 feet. So if it is 40, then we need a 2 length of pipes. So we use 40 mm cross 20 mm pipe for 40 feet. 8 kg per 20 feet it will come. So if we calculate for 2 length of pipes, it comes 16 kgs at 1.5 mm thickness. CNC design. CNC design height will be 4.75 feet and width will be 1 feet. At 3 mm thickness it will come around 1200 rupees, including the welding cost. And then to fix this CNC design we need to give a 10 mm square bar support. So 10 mm square bar roughly will come like 12 feet. For 12 feet approximately it is 3 kgs. So now let's calculate wall support and ground support will come around 6 kgs. And then if you are planning to install shutter lock, then it will come around 400 rupees. Shutter lock usually come inner side of the gate. Now let's calculate the overall cost of the gate. Shutter lock cost I kept it optional. Now let's calculate the total metal cost. 33 kgs for 60 cross 30 pipe, and then 40 cross 20 pipe. 16 kg plus 70 kg is equal to 33 kgs, plus 3 kgs for the square bar which is used to give a support to CNC. So that is 3 kg, and 6 kg for wall support. So this is the wall support. These two are the wall support. Totally 42 kgs it comes. For 42 kgs, I am calculating per kg 120 rupees. In rural, it is in rural area it is 120 rupees they are charging. In city, it will be around 140 to 150 rupees. So I'm taking the minimum one, 120 rupees. If I calculate, it comes 5040 rupees plus this 1200 CNC cost. Totally it gives 6240 rupees. So in city it will take another 1000 rupees. The 120 rupees per kg includes making and material charges. I would recommend two things. One is thickness. So if you reduce the thickness, we can still reduce the cost. Like we can make it around 5000 rupees. But the more thickness you add, it will be more durable. And then second thing is wall supporting. So if the weight of the gate is around 30 kg to 40 kg, we can still able to manage with the normal wall, because since we are going to provide a ground support, we can still able to fix this in the normal brick wall. But if the weight is more than that, then we have to use the column to fix this. So then the column cost will be higher. So these are the couple of recommendation I would like to share. Now this is an approx calculation. It will give an idea like how much it will cost for a gate of 5x4 for this design. But we may not expect the same price, because every day the price of the material varies. So it depends on the material cost and then the thickness of the material that we use. So this is just an approx calculation, but it will be somehow around 500 rupees plus or minus. It won't be too much difference, but there will be some slight difference you can see in the price. Once the gate is done, the most important thing is painting. So we need to use the right painting material to keep the gate free from rusting. Next video will be about how to paint a metal gate. So there we will see a complete process of painting, like starting from the sanding till the final finish of the painting. So keep in touch with us. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.